Hello America, I want to show you this new Conundrum wine aerator. I've used several of these before. I really like them a lot. But you know, the instructions on the label doesn't really give you. That is not the proper way to use this aerator. You're just pouring wine at this point. You know, here in South Carolina, it's really hot right now, so I've placed my strawberries in my wine because this time of year, every year, God removes the state of South Carolina and places it between the United States and the sun. And I like to cool my wine just a touch. So I want to show you the proper way to use this beautiful wine aerator. Look at that. Notice right here, we're going to aerate our wine. This is what the label shows. That's not aerating jack, okay? If you're going to really aerate this wine, watch the difference when you do it like this. That's truly aerating the wine. I'm using a nice $9, $10 bottle of wine here, which is what I drink. But that's a proper way to use one of these aerators. Even the manufacturer doesn't want to show people the proper way to use it. And I've had several different types. I think this is the most beautiful one. I got this Amazon.com for, I don't know, 30 bucks or so. And I love these glasses, the beautiful glasses, plastic glasses. My wife doesn't let me play with glass anymore. And the Noble Vines. But let's fill this one up, so just so you can get the idea. Notice how it thins the wine out. That's truly aerating the wine. Enjoy your weekend. These are organic strawberries if anybody's freaking out. I'll talk to you later. Jeff Bannister. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the bottom if you like what I'm doing. Peace out.